Guys, this pigment is so pretty. Oh!
Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out of bag.
I'm starting off with priming my lids. I'm gonna use this. Look, y'all, I got a whole brand new one, but I ran out of my other one, so I had to go get another one because I was like, ain't no other concealer topping this right now. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazlenut. I'm gonna use it to prime my lids today. So we're all primed up, sis. I'm gonna be recreating a look that I did last week. It's a fall inspired look, and I didn't want to create the exact look just because I liked how it came out, but I wanted to be like even more grungy, and I wanted to just be like super, I just want the colors to be more popping than they were before. I used a different palette to create this look, but there's a lot of similar colors in this one, so I'm gonna reach for the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. The colors in here are really nice, and so I think I can create the same look. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Mulberry right here. And I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to pack this shade onto my crease. I've built this color up to its like most intense capacity. In person it's darker than what it looks like on camera from what I'm seeing on my viewfinder. It looks really dark in person. So y'all, it's a little light, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M441 blending brush. I'm gonna actually go into Sienna just to blend the edges of the first color that we applied. I'm just gonna run that right over the edge of Mulberry. Pretty much blended. That didn't take too long, thank you Jesus. I'm gonna go into Noir, which is this black shade right here. And I'm taking a smaller brush. This is gonna be the Morphe 506 brush. And I'm gonna take that black, it's so black, it's so black. And I'm gonna just tilt my brush upwards or downwards and get right into that crease area. We're gonna be doing a cut crease, so this shade is super important because you want it to be kind of peeking through above the cut crease. So I do, even though I keep it really tight into my crease, I do kind of want to blend it just a little bit further up into the upper crease so that it peeks through after we cut the crease. This is just so nice because everything's blending so easily, and I hate to be a hater and I hate to be talking shit, but like coming off of doing looks with the Morphe palette or the new Morphe palettes and how they were just so hard to blend, it's like, ooh, it's so refreshing to like be able to just bloop bloop and easily blend. I don't know, I just had to mention that. No shade, but high key, it is shade. I'm gonna go back into Mulberry just a little bit to blend out around this black so it's not too harsh. Just on the outer corner. Moving right along, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm gonna actually use the same concealer that I used before. Sometimes I'll go in with a lighter concealer, but because I think I'm gonna be using glitter today, it's not really necessary. I could honestly cut my crease with glitter glue, but I do want to kind of get rid of some of this black. So I'm just taking that on this concealer brush and gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna take the NYX Glitter Primer, this one, and I'm just gonna put it on the brush directly. Sometimes on the back of my hand, but child, I'll be having so much makeup on the back of my hand. It's annoying. I'm just gonna put it around the brush and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Right where the cut crease is, the whole area of the cut crease. So I'm gonna be going in with the Dose of Colors Eyedeal Duo. Looks like this. It's in the shade Sunset. The top of it has a cream, and then the inside opens up and it is some loose pigment. So I'm going to use the pigment today on my lids. Go ahead and pick it up with the same concealer brush while this is still wet and just pack it on. So you can either like pat this on or swipe it on. I'm just going to pack it because I like how it looks better when it's packed. It's more foiled when you just swipe it on. So I'm just going to pack it on. Such a pretty pigment. I'm taking it pretty much all the way through the lid. I'll add some shadows to blend later. Guys, this pigment is so pretty. Oh! I'm gonna go ahead and do some blending in the outer corner just to create some gradient. Y'all know how I do. So I'm gonna go into Noir, and we're going to just pack this into the outer corner of the lid. Just to create even more gradient, I'm gonna go into Mulberry with the same brush, even with a little bit of black on it. I'm just gonna go into Mulberry and I'm gonna create a little bit of gradient, just kind of blend that into the black shade we just put on. I'm gonna go back into Noir and just reinforce that in the outer corner because I kind of lost it a little bit. I'm gonna go into Sienna and then put that like in the center of the lid almost to blend into Mulberry. Okay, that was easy. Now that my eyes are pretty much done up top, I'm gonna go ahead and do some liner. I'm gonna first go in with the E.L.F. liquid liner, and in the original look that I did a wing liner, but today I'm just gonna do just like a really thick liner to my outer corner. I'm not gonna wing it out. This liner is not like the, it's kind of sheer, so I'm gonna layer it on. I'm gonna layer it. So I try to go like from like thin to thick. I could go thicker, but I'm not even gonna do that today. We're gonna leave it how it is, okay? I'll take this small brush again and go back into Noir and just pack it right on the outer corner so the liner blends with the outer corner. So that's just not like a dead, just, you know, skirt. I don't do lashes until after I finish my entire face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I wonder if I should do it on camera, probably won't. I'm gonna do my face off camera. If you're interested in how I do my full coverage foundation, I do have a video and I'll put it right up here in the card section for you. Also check the description box and it'll probably be on the end screen. So if you wanna wait until the video's over, please do, okay? You do it to see the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera and I will be right back. So I finished the face, I haven't sprayed yet, but I do wanna, cause I wanna add some more eyeshadow right quick. I'm just gonna take, I guess I could take this big brush because I didn't want to smoke it up. Okay, so I'm gonna take this big brush right here, this blending brush, the M441, into Noir, and I'm going to run that into my lower lash line. This brush is fluffy, but I have a lot of bottom lid space, so I don't mind like just running a big brush under there. Whoa. Go into Mulberry and then smoke that out a little bit more. And I'm gonna go into Sienna, excuse me, to Sienna and run that down there as well. I'm just gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush, go back into Noir and just pack that onto the lower lash line. Oh, I need to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are literal trash today. It's okay though. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, and I bet you my setting spray is not in here. Obviously. I'm taking the Mario Badescu like I always do, and I'm gonna spray all over because my face is so matte. Like, I use this foundation again. Y'all know it's matte as fuck, so. So satisfying. Look at that. Melt. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera just because I'm trying to speed this video. I'm trying to hurry up because I'm in a rush and I don't want to like sit up here and show you guys me putting lashes on. But I'm putting on my Fernomenal beauty lashes. I don't think I've ever shown you guys these here on my YouTube channel, but this is a lash company that I've been wearing for a little while now. If you follow me on Instagram, you definitely already know about these, and I actually do have a code. I'll put it on the screen. They're bomb, and they are Mink lashes. These ones are in the style High Class, and they're so pretty. So you guys will see them on in just a second. Now the lashes are on, they're so dramatic, and I feel like they're so fitting for this look, and especially since I smoked the bottom lash line out a lot, I feel like they fit really well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lips. Now in the on the Instagram post, I had two pictures. So I posted a nude lip and a black lip, and I'm not gonna do the black lip on camera just because like I have to be somewhere soon. I'm kind of like on a time crunch, so I'm gonna do the nude lip. What I'm first gonna do is take my hard candy lip gloss, and you guys saw this in the last video, my full face, full coverage foundation routine. I'm just gonna take this lip gloss and put it all over. And usually I put it on before, but I forgot, so. And I'm gonna take this lipstick. It is the Ruby Kisses matte liquid lipstick in the shade Choco Craze. And I'm gonna take that all around my lips. I think I'm gonna do a different lip combo today. I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Bear With Me. I'm gonna take it in the center of my lips. And I'm just gonna pat it out. That is it. I'll probably come back later on with my hair like not looking like this, show you guys the completed look. But I'm pretty satisfied with it. Oh, I forgot inner corner highlight. I'm like, I'm missing something. Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna kind of zoom in because I am actually kind of shook. I'm shooketh a little bit because the look came out so nice. These lashes are just giving me life. And the first time that I did this look, like it didn't come out this good. So I'm super pleased with how it came out. This is like super fall, like the warm tones, the browns, the reddish tones, and the gold especially is a banger. So I'm really excited about this look. I'm glad that I recreated it. I'm glad that you guys wanted to see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, I will have the video up in the card section for you. It should already be up here on my channel. And if not, check the end screen after this video is over. But yeah, I had so much fun creating this eye look all over again. And I think I kind of like revamped it and made it like 10 times better than the first time. The lashes are bigger and badder. The blend is bigger and badder, okay? The blend is just good. So yeah, I had fun making this look and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash that like button if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, if you like me, if I'm cool, if you were savage, smash the like button, okay? And then after that, make sure that you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed, and then click that bell so that you're notified every single time that I upload a new video and you don't miss anything from me. Other than that, thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.